In this video, I will explain how you can remove the duplicates in Google Sheets. So here you can see that we have got data over here, and in this column C, there is this duplicate India. Okay, so I want to get rid of that. For that, select the data range and then go to data, then go to data cleanup, and then click on remove duplicates. After that, you can analyze any of the columns. So you can see that it has selected 26 columns. Let us say you want to just scan this column C because that is where this duplicate data is there, right? India, India. So I'm gonna click here, uncheck this select all, and then click on column C because I want to just analyze column C. And if your data has got header, you can select this option and then click on remove duplicate. So what will happen is that so out of this row 3 and 4, one of the row will be deleted. So you can see that one duplicate row found and removed. That's it. Thanks for watching.